forget to play. And this autumn, there are plenty of ways to keep playing, exploring, and developing. With NDP, our live NDP diploma begins on the first weekend in October, bringing people together for a new journey into Neuro Dramatic play. We'll also be running webinars exploring daisy play, proactive play, and of course, Neuro Dramatic play itself. And if you're already a part of the NDP community, remember that tutorials and NDP supervision are always available to help you reflect, develop, and keep your practice moving. So, whether you're beginning something new, building on what you already know, or simply looking for a little inspiration this autumn, stay curious, stay creative, and don't forget to play. Find out more at ndpltd.org. Thank you.